In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the scrollbar in Framer to enhance your project's design. If you're keen on making your project more visually appealing and intuitive, you'll find these instructions incredibly helpful. First things first, you'll want to open Framer on your computer. Framer is a fantastic tool for creating interactive designs, and being comfortable navigating its interface will improve your efficiency. Once you have Framer open, proceed to open the project you'll be working on. If you've already got your design laid out, you're ready to dive into making adjustments. Now, look at the Layers panel, usually located on the left side of your screen. This panel is essential for managing all your design components. You'll need to find and click on the layer you want to modify. This step is crucial for ensuring that any changes you make are applied to the right part of your design. After selecting your layer, try scrolling down the panel. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the scrollbar component. Think of this as the area where you can directly apply custom styles to enhance the functionality and appearance of the scrollbar in your design. Next, head over to the right-hand panel. This is the spot in Framer where you will configure properties and styles for different components, including the scrollbar. When you locate the scrollbar component in this panel, you'll notice various options to tweak and refine. One such option is increasing the size of the scrollbar. Adjusting this will help users interact more effectively with your design by making scrolling a breeze. Besides size, consider changing the hover color, which alters the scrollbar's appearance when users hover over it. Picking an engaging color can ensure your scrollbar stands out, improving both visibility and usability. Static colors for your scrollbar also come into play and can be modified here. Adjusting the static color means selecting what the scrollbar looks like when not being interacted with. By choosing a color that fits seamlessly with your overall design, you're ensuring a cohesive look. Additionally, there's the option to increase the scrollbar's radius. What this does is make the edges of your scrollbar more rounded, which is perfect if you're aiming for a softer, more approachable design aesthetic in your project. Lastly, don't forget about the tracks. Those are the areas where the scrollbar slides up and down. Changing the track color can help define the scrollbar more clearly, enhancing usability, especially in vibrant or complex backgrounds. And there you have it, a simple but detailed process to customize the scrollbar in Framer. By adjusting these various settings, you not only make your project easier to interact with, but also give it a unique flair that's bound to capture attention. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.